Hey guys, what's up? My name is Justin Jaro. Thanks for checking out Quick USD. So currently in Blender, if you select an object, you go to File, Export, USD. Let's copy this building over here, paste it. And now let's change this to USDA, selection only. And let's make a new folder just in case. And now we hit export. And now we can see that it exported out this USDA, and if we open in USD view, there are no textures applied. So if we look at the shader, you can see that it's only floats, no file paths. Currently, Blender only exports out vertex color, metallic float, and the roughness float. Okay, let's open up the Quick USD add-on. Let's open up the export settings, and let's widen this out a bit. Copy the output directory, paste it into output directory, then select the object that you want to create the package for. This package will contain all your dependencies along with a material.json file to rebuild the materials if needed. Okay, let's click this export USD file button, and now we have our new USDA file, which we can open in USD view, and we can see that the textures have now been applied. As of version 0.30, we are only able to work with one single material slot and one UV map slot. So please keep that in mind. I'm also going to attempt to build in an NVIDIA Omniverse connector, and that's all dependent on if NVIDIA puts out a connector in the coming months. This has been Quick USD. Thanks for checking it out. Have a good day.